Good morning and welcome to episode 116 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Checkan, president of Asset Strategies International, and today is Wednesday, March 22nd, 2023. This morning I join you live from Ponte Vedra Beach, Florida. I'm here for the 25th annual Investment U conference with the Oxford Club. Outside my door here on the beach, all week long we've seen the red flags being flown for rough seas, and I got to tell you, that's what we're seeing in the economy and the markets as well. And it's a perfect time for us to be down here discussing different ways to navigate these troubled waters. Over the past week, and certainly during this conference, gold is all the talk. And it's kind of natural that it would be. We're dealing with geopolitical tensions, potentially in China and that theater, as well as in Europe and Russia. We're seeing social unease or dis-ease here at home. We've obviously dealing with the rising interest rates thanks to Fed Chairman Jerome Powell and the FOMC. We're looking, as a result, as he pushes us toward that pending recession that everybody believes is coming, especially with the prolonged circumstance where we have inverted yield curves. And of course, over the past month or so, we've had severe banking concerns that have raised questions about the stability and the confidence in the banking system and in our currency, the US dollar. With all that going on in the background, gold tested that psychologically important $2,000 level 3 different times last week, and then succumbed earlier this week to a bout of profit taking, taking it down to about $19.50 an ounce. Let's take a look at the prices for gold over the past week, because it rebounded after that little profit taking episode. Today, gold sits at $1967.10 an ounce. That's up 1.2% from last week at $1943.40. Silver, the big winner this week, up 3.6% to $23.34 from $22.53 last week. Platinum is the lone loser this week, down 1.7% to $972 an ounce from $989 an ounce. Palladium almost caught silver, but didn't quite get there. It's up 3.1% to $1,510 an ounce from $1,464 last week, with silver outpacing gold by a 3-to-1 margin in the percentage increase. The gold-silver ratio, the number of ounces of silver it takes to buy 1 ounce of gold, just dropped this past week to 84.6. It was 86.6 last week, and the dollar is down, as you would expect, with gold moving up. It's at 102.65 this week from 103.07 last week. And as I've been saying for the past year or two, as I've been saying all week here at this conference, if you want to know where gold's going, keep your eye on the dollar. I told you that I thought we had peaked here at 104, 105, 106 with the US dollar's recent little jump back after it pulled back from 116 last year. And I thought we had seen the highest point of the dollar's strength. So far, that looks to be playing out as it continues to weaken, and as a result, gold is benefiting, and well, it should continue to buy these dips as we test the psychological resistance level at 2,000. In the meantime, I want you to go ahead and follow us on the YouTube channel, like us, send us your comments and questions so we can answer them on the air. Follow our social media at Asset Strategies International. Please go ahead and sign up for our newsletter and our alerts. Now more than ever, we'd like to get that information out to you as to what's going on in the economy and how we think you can play it. And most importantly, don't ever forget that getting rich starts with keeping what's yours.